What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. It was really windy when we were trying to film this build video, so I'm going to be filming the walk around from the comfort of our own shop, but you know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your friends, show them what we can do here. Alright, so this customer came to us trying to get his truck a little bit more off-road worthy. We're not talking about things like rock crawling or anything crazy like that, but just hunting roads, service roads, and we also wanted to upgrade the looks of this truck. That we used was the Rough Country 3-inch lift, and this brings the truck nice and level, but it is a pretty simplified kit. It does come with struts and shocks, so it takes care of both ends. However, to get more articulation, we did go with the Tuff Country Upper Control arms. We were joking throughout the week that we should call this the Rough and Tough Tacoma build. The wheels that went on this truck are the Method 305s in a 17 by 8.5. Great look if you're trying to get that rugged off-road look, sort of that simulated beadlock look. We're definitely big fans of Method. Then we wrapped those in a 285/70/17. These are the Cooper Discoverer AT3s. We're definitely big fans of these tires. They're probably one of my favorites in the all-terrain category. They're great in snow, and they have a pretty aggressive looking sidewall, but not too over the top. And then to finish off this build, we used the Firestone Rite kit. We wanted to make sure that this truck stayed nice and level no matter how much gear this gentleman was putting in the back as he was going off-road. Alright, that's what we got for you today. Brian, SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your friends, and we'll talk to you all soon.